Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing Among Us. Yay! Wait for. Okay, just leave it. Okay. Why is Orange following me? No, Orange is running in electrical. Looks a bit sus, but no worries. Just let's run up on building. Okay, this one done. Okay, and to tell you a little secret, just tap on this arrow second time, so you don't have to do the low engine one. See, I don't have a task anymore. Yay! Okay, I need to go to weapons now, and oh, everybody's here. Okay, I have to be careful. Okay, shield's done. Oh my god. Pink, please don't kill me if you are the imposter. Okay, I hate this. Okay, Pink left. So Pink was not the imposter. Okay, 1-0. Done. Both of them following each other. Sorry, 3 of them. This is my last task, and after that we will sit in the security. Okay, done. Yay! I finished all my tasks. But why are those guys running after each other? What is happening? Should I also run after them? Ooh. Everybody is following yellow. Okay, leave it. Just go into security. It's so hilarious. Everybody is following each other. Okay. Yellow went into navigation. Okay, pronounce it. It's just wrong. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's white. White vented. Oh my god, I did it. Yes. WHITE is the imposter. Yes. He went in. Oops. Security. Okay. Oh my god, I got them. Yay! Not them. I got him. Wait. Orange dead? Question mark. Orange dead. Okay, who voted for me? Must be yellow. Or maybe white. I don't know. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a like and remember to subscribe. Don't forget it. Nearly more than the half of you watching are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe.